In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Looker Studio. Start by opening Looker Studio in your browser. From the home page, head into the report you want to update. If you're already looking at the report, make sure you're in editing mode by clicking Edit at the top. Editing mode is important because it unlocks all the design controls you'll need for this change. Next, look toward the top toolbar and select Theme and Layout. This opens a side panel that controls the overall visual style of your report, including backgrounds, text, and chart colors. If you're looking for a quick refresh, you can choose one of the available themes here and instantly see your report adopt new background and color settings. This is a fast way to get a clean, consistent look. If you want your design to reflect your own brand or a specific visual direction, use the option called Extract Theme from Image. This powerful feature analyzes an image and generates coordinated theme options from it. Click Extract Theme from Image, then choose Upload from Computer. Select the image file you want to base your design on and click Open. Looker Studio will scan the image and propose several theme variations that pull from its colors and visual cues. You'll now see a set of theme suggestions based on your image. Take a moment to preview them and consider readability. Backgrounds that are too dark or busy can make charts and text harder to read, so look for a variation that balances personality with clarity. When you've found the one that fits, click Apply. Your report will update to reflect the new theme, including background settings and coordinated color accents across your pages and components. A few tips as you choose. Images with simple textures or soft gradients generally work best for backgrounds, as they provide visual interest without overwhelming your data. High-resolution files help avoid pixelation on large canvases. If your charts or labels lose contrast after the change, try a lighter or more neutral theme variation from the options generated. You can always revisit theme and layout to switch between suggestions or pick a different image to extract from. That's it. You've brought a background image into your Looker Studio report through the Theme and Layout panel and applied a cohesive, image-inspired theme to tie everything together. With these steps, you can quickly refresh the look of any report while keeping your data clear and easy to understand.